Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ROG Phone 8 and let me share with you how to allow automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the system. Then let's tap on About Phone, just tap on this option. And here let's localize software information, which is at the very bottom of the list. Now let's keep tapping on the build number to activate the developer options. And if you want to learn more about the developer options, simply check our tutorial about it. So right now we have to go back to the system settings and enter developer options. Right now, all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, Automatic System Updates, and turn it on just by tapping on the switcher. So from now on, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So remember about restarting it from time to time, so it will have a chance to download and apply the updates. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.